Welcome everyone, and I'm going to show you guys today how to do the stock recon directly on your mobile phone. So first of all, you need to obviously install the TSeller app from the App Store or the Play Store, sign into your account, and then you'll be logged into the main dashboard. From the main dashboard, you can navigate in the bottom menu and click on Recon. This is going to open up the Recon page where you'll be able to see all your claimed reports, all your completed recons, where you can fill out all your business information, create new invoices, and obviously, most important, do your stock recon. So if we look at the top of the page, we can see 0 out of 6 recons complete. We have a total of 0 Rand reclaimed. And then this is how you guys get the CSV file. So to claim your stock recon and to do your invoice, you need to download the stock recon report from Takealot. And to do that is you're going to click on this how to, and this is going to show you step by step how to follow and how to get the stock recon file directly on your Takealot seller portal. If you want to, you can log into your Takealot seller portal on your phone and you can get it from there. Otherwise, email the file to yourself, or if you have a Mac, you can airdrop it to your phone. So that is how you do the stock recon. So go ahead, take a second, pause the video, go ahead and get your stock recon from Takealot, and then come back to the app and continue watching the guide. So by now, you guys should have your stock recon file. And now we can just scroll down on the page and we can quickly look at the quick actions. So under quick actions, you can create a new invoice. You can select a CSV file, or you can create an invoice from scratch by adding your own item lines. You can also view your recent invoices to see invoices that you have done in the past, or to look at any invoices you've done recently. You can also edit your business details. This is where you fill in what needs to display on your invoice. So you'll fill in all your company details, all your banking details, all of it right here on this page. And that is then the info that's being used to display on your invoice. And then you can obviously go to your settings as well. So let's start off with the recon. We're going to click on Upload CSV at the top. We're going to select the CSV file. I've already gotten my stock file right here, and I can see it has been imported successfully. Then we have our address right there. We have our email, and we have our phone number. It's very important that you do use the email address that is located on your Takealot seller portal when you do the stock recon. Otherwise, they won't be able to assist you. So make sure that the email that is used on your Takealot account is also used on the invoice. Then you're going to go down and you're going to look at your invoice number. This is all Takealot's details. You can leave that right there. And then you can see the lines that have been added. Then you can include or exclude your payment details. I'm going to keep mine excluded. It doesn't have any outcome on your invoice. And then we can choose the color of our actual invoice. I'm going to make it red for the purpose of this video. And then you can actually preview your invoice right here. And you can see all the details of what needs to be claimed, your date, and also the stock recon report at the bottom. Then you need to click on Generate and Share. Once you've done this, you're going to airdrop the file to yourself, or you're going to email it to yourself using the button all the way at the bottom. Then you're going to click on Done. Once you've clicked on Done, you now have your invoice and you have your stock recon file. So now you need to navigate your way over to Takealot and actually upload these files directly onto Takealot's support ticket system so that you can be reimbursed for this. Now, the way you do that is by going to Takealot's support system, and you can find this link directly on your Takealot account, or you can search help.takealot.com and you'll be prompted to this support page right here. So now we're going to fill in our email address here at the top. Then we're going to put our subject as I need to be reimbursed for missing stock. Then we're going to scroll down. Then we have our description. And our description, we can just say, I need to be reimbursed for the below invoice of my stock recon. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to look at your merchant type. You're going to leave that on seller. Your seller queries type, you are going to scroll down almost all the way and then look for stock recon right here. And then you're going to click on I need to be reimbursed for missing stock. You're going to put in your seller ID right here. You can get that directly on your Takealot seller portal, or you can find it in the settings of TSeller. Then you're going to click on I have attached my invoice. I have attached my stock recon without renaming it. You're going to click on add file, and then you're going to choose the files and you're going to add your invoice and your actual stock recon right there. and then you're going to click on submit at the bottom. Please do not rename your stock recon file, otherwise it won't work and Takealot won't accept it. So it's very important you upload both and you don't rename the stock recon. And that is exactly how you do the stock recon. There's nothing complicated to it. If you guys don't want to do it on your phone, it is a lot easier directly on your laptop. So if you guys want to go check out the web version of TSeller, just search tseller.co.za and you can log in using your same login details. We also have a video that shows you exactly how to do the stock recon on the web platform loaded on our same YouTube channel you're watching on right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're available on WhatsApp and email, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I hope you guys have subscribed and you have turned on the bell notification, because we have a lot of tutorials coming up to show you guys how to effectively use TSeller and to use it to the best of your ability. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.